see, we changed our location to get away from the noise at the store, telephones. Now we got peepers in the background. If you can listen to them, so we have to talk over there complaining that we're here. Okay. But the reason why I wanted to talk about this subject is something that has bothered me all weekend. I gave advice to people when they come in, they wanted to kill a feral area, an old garden that they wanted to kill everything in and work it up without having to pull it out. They wanted to kill it and then be able to plant right away. And I said, use Roundup or glyphosate. And then the next question was, I'd ask him, do you have any? Oh yes, we got all kinds of it at home. Good. And then in the way, all weekend I was thinking, well, she was the two people that day asked that, what type of glyphosate do they have at home? Because nowadays, you got so much of it. For example, the glyphosate with a product like this, and also this one here, that you don't want anywhere near a garden if you're going to replant it. This kills everything. You use this for around driveways, around buildings, fence lines, and sidewalk cracks that you don't want anything to grow for a growing season or a year. But if you have that and you put it in the garden, you're schnitzeled. We want you to use just plain glyphosate, either the concentrate or the ready to use. And you could use this product, and within a couple days after you know the plant has absorbed it, you can plant right away. It only kills things that are green. If it doesn't touch, if it touches the trunk of the tree, the trunk is not green, it's brown. It has to be absorbed by the process from the leaves, a green product like grass. So there's many uses. If you use it, you can spray it, you can wipe it on. There's many ways to apply it. But it's sold under the name Roundup, which is a trade name of one company. Now that is glyphosate. Now, this is the same thing, and there's many different versions of this. Just make sure you're just buying glyphosate. Thank you for listening.